The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. First published in 1949, is widely considered one of the most influential books on investing ever written. Graham, known as the father of value investing, laid the foundation for modern investment principles. His teachings focus on minimizing risk, maximizing long-term gains, and avoiding emotional decision-making in the stock market. Even though the book was written decades ago, its wisdom remains relevant, guiding countless investors towards smarter financial decisions. This book is not a get-rich-quick guide. Instead, it advocates for a disciplined, long-term approach to investing. It emphasizes the importance of understanding the true value of investments and resisting the urge to follow market trends blindly. Some important notes. The difference between investing and speculating. One of the fundamental ideas Graham emphasizes is the distinction between investing and speculating. Investing involves thoroughly analyzing the potential risks and returns of an asset, ensuring that the purchase price provides a margin of safety, and focusing on long-term wealth building. Speculating, on the other hand, involves taking risks in hopes of quick gains, often without a deep understanding of the asset's true value. Graham warns against the dangers of speculation, which can lead to emotional decision-making and significant losses. He encourages readers to adopt the mindset of an investor rather than a speculator. Investors are focused on the underlying value of their investments, while speculators are more concerned with short-term price movements. The concept of Mr. Market. One of the most memorable concepts in The Intelligent Investor is the metaphor of Mr. Market. Graham describes Mr. Market as a hypothetical business partner who offers to buy your shares or sell you his shares every day. However, Mr. Market's mood swings wildly. Sometimes he is overly optimistic, offering a high price for your shares, and other times he is overly pessimistic, offering a low price. The key lesson here is that Mr. Market's emotions should not dictate your decisions. Just because the market is volatile doesn't mean you should panic or act impulsively. Instead, Graham advises investors to take advantage of Mr. Market's irrationality. When he offers shares at a low price, it could be an opportunity to buy undervalued assets. When he offers shares at an unreasonably high price, it might be wise to sell. The point is to remain calm, rational, and focused on the true value of your investments, rather than being swayed by market fluctuations. The importance of diversification. Diversification is another critical concept in The Intelligent Investor. Graham advocates for spreading investments across different asset classes, e.g., stocks, bonds, real estate, and industries to reduce risk. By diversifying, investors can protect themselves from the impact of a poor-performing asset on their overall portfolio. Diversification is especially important for defensive investors, who may not have the time or expertise to thoroughly analyze individual stocks. By holding a broad range of investments, they can reduce the risk of significant losses while still participating in market growth. However, Graham also warns against over-diversification, which can dilute the potential returns of a portfolio. He believes in focusing on high-quality investments with a margin of safety rather than spreading investments too thin. The power of compounding and patience. The Intelligent Investor emphasizes the power of compounding returns over time. Compounding is the process of earning returns on both your initial investment and the reinvested earnings. Over long periods, compounding can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Graham advises investors to be patient and allow their investments to grow over time. Rather than chasing short-term gains, focus on the long-term potential of your investments. Even modest returns can result in substantial wealth if they are allowed to compound over many years. Patience is a key virtue in value investing. It requires the discipline to hold on to investments even during periods of market volatility, knowing that long-term value will eventually be realized. The role of psychology in investing. While The Intelligent Investor is a book about finance, it also delves deeply into the psychology of investing. Graham highlights the importance of controlling emotions like fear and greed, which can lead to poor decision-making. During market downturns, Many investors panic and sell their assets at a loss, fearing further declines. Conversely, during bull markets, greed can drive investors to overpay for assets, believing that prices will continue to rise indefinitely. Graham argues that successful investing requires a calm, rational mindset that is not swayed by the emotional highs and lows of the market. He encourages investors to adopt a contrarian approach. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. This means buying when prices are low and pessimism is high, and selling when prices are high and optimism is rampant. The role of bonds in a portfolio bonds play a crucial role in Graham's investment strategy, especially for defensive investors. He suggests that investors maintain a balance between stocks and bonds, with bonds providing stability and income, while stocks offer the potential for growth. Graham recommends adjusting the ratio of stocks to bonds based on market conditions. In times of high stock market valuations, investors might want to increase their bond holdings to protect against a potential downturn. Conversely, when stocks are undervalued, investors might consider increasing their stock allocation to take advantage of future growth opportunities. The key takeaway is that bonds can provide a safety net in an investor's portfolio, helping to preserve capital and reduce volatility. The margin of safety. One of Graham's most important principles is the concept of a margin of safety. This is the idea of buying investments at a price that is significantly below their intrinsic value. By purchasing assets with a margin of safety, you protect yourself against unforeseen events, errors in judgment, and market volatility. For example, if you determine that a company's stock is worth $100 per share based on its earnings and assets, you might only consider buying it if the market price drops to $70. This cushion provides protection in case your calculations are wrong or if the market turns against you. The margin of safety is a central concept in value investing because it helps minimize risk while maximizing potential returns. The enduring lessons of the intelligent investor. The Intelligent Investor remains one of the most influential books on investing because it provides timeless wisdom that applies to investors of all levels. Benjamin Graham's teachings emphasize the importance of careful analysis, disciplined decision-making, and a focus on long-term value rather than short-term gains. By distinguishing between investing and speculating, understanding the concept of a margin of safety, and recognizing the emotional challenges of investing, readers of The Intelligent Investor can develop the mindset and habits needed to achieve financial success. Graham's principles have guided generations of investors and will continue to be a beacon of wisdom for those seeking to navigate the complex world of finance. Whether you are a defensive investor looking for steady growth or an enterprising investor seeking to capitalize on market opportunities, the lessons in The Intelligent Investor provide a solid foundation for building wealth and achieving financial security.